Welcome to TutorialsArena's Rapid Fire MCQ Challenge. Get ready to ignite your knowledge in data science and AI. Brain-tickling questions are coming your way, fast and furious. Let's level up your skills, right here, right now. The MCQ adventure starts. What does this NumPy array create? The correct option is option C, a NumPy array. np.array converts a list into a NumPy array for efficient computation. How do you create a data frame in Pandas? The correct option is option C. pd.dataframe is the standard way to create a data frame using Pandas. What is a series in Pandas? The correct option is option C, labeled 1D array. A Pandas series is like a one-dimensional array with labels or indexes. What does df.head function return? The correct option is option C, first 3 rows. Head function returns the first n rows of a data frame, default is 5. How do you get summary statistics of a data frame? The correct option is option B, df.describe function. Describe function provides statistical summary of numeric columns. What is the use of in decorators? The correct option is option C, wrap a function. Add is used to apply a decorator to a function. Thank you for watching. We will return with more exciting questions on data science and AI using Python. Until then, let us know the answer of each question in comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.